In this video, I will show you how to recover LinkedIn account without email and phone number. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to LinkedIn and then simply click on Forgot Password. Now the next step is to simply enter the email address even though you don't have access to it. So I'm gonna copy my email address. So it doesn't matter if you have access or not. So simply enter the email address associated with your account and then click on next. Now, as you can see, you're gonna have to complete this quick security check. So let me complete it. Now, what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on can't access this email. So simply click on that. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply scan this QR code. So basically, once you scan this QR code, you're gonna have to complete this government ID verification process. And after that, you're gonna be able to use your LinkedIn account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.